All right, so our first example for section 9.2 is example 1, which reads, using the formula for the cosine of the difference of two angles, find the exact value. So it is pretty straightforward. We're gonna use our formula that we just derived for the cosine of alpha minus beta. Here alpha is 5 pi over 4 and beta is pi over 6. So applying the formula straight forward, cosine of 5 pi over 4 cosine pi over 6 plus, notice that even though there is a minus in the formula, there's plus here. So we have plus sine 5 pi over 4 and multiplied by sine of pi over 6. So all we have to do now is to actually plug in the values from that we know from the unit circle. And what are we going to get? We're going to get negative root of 2 over 2 multiplied by root of 3 over 2 plus a negative root of 2 over 2 times 1/2. Well, let's multiply and simplify. So we have negative root of, we're going to combine the two roots under 1. Two times 1 over, and I mean, I put 1 under the root because square root of 1 is also 1. I mean, it's legal. I mean, but we could also just multiply root of 2 by 1 and get a root of 2. So in the end, we're going to have negative root of 6 minus root of 2 divided by 4. And that's our answer for this problem. Please go ahead and try this problem. We are looking at cosine of pi over 3 minus pi over 4. Just applying the formula straightforward, that helps you to memorize the formula. Go ahead and apply this. And we're going to proceed to example number 2. And here it reads, find the exact value of cosine of 75 degrees. Now, we know that 75 degrees is not one of our standard values on the unit circle. So how can we find the exact value? We know that our calculator will only give us an approximate value. Now, in order to find the exact value, we're going to rewrite our 75-degree angle as a sum of 30 degrees plus 45 degrees. And that gives us cosine values and sine values of the well-known angles. So applying our formula directly, we're going to have cosine of 30 degrees multiplied by cosine of 45 minus of sine of 30 degrees multiplied by sine of 45. And plugging in the values, we're going to get our result of square root of 6 minus square root of 2 over 4. Again, let's try it. So try to find the exact value of cosine of 105 degrees. Pause here if you have to.